Government of India is completely allowing offshore mining, which is going to be very detrimental to fisherman community of the state. It is going to affect the flora and fauna of the sea. It is going to affect the availability of the fish stock. It is going to affect the livelihood of the fisheries sector. Therefore, without any discussion, without any consultation, unilaterally they decided to go for this mining. Nobody studied anything without any environmental impact studies. They directly went to that because to please their corporate people. There was unanimously the political party of Kerala, even though we are fighting each other politically, for this common cause, we are jointly agitating. Government of India should withdraw this approval of the offshore mining immediately. This is what the demand.